Shalom and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. Today we are going to be talking about the Kibutz Nikkud sign. Kibutz indicates the vowel U. The Kibutz sign is represented by three dots underneath the letter, creating a diagonal line from top to bottom, left to right. Let's see some examples. We start with the word chukim. The first letter, chet, is decorated with kibutz, creating the syllable chu. Next, we have the letter kuf, decorated with chirik, which is a Nikkud sign we already covered in a previous lesson. Lastly, a vowel-less mem sofit. The next word is sulam. We start with samech, decorated with kibutz. Then we have a lamed, decorated with kamatz gadol. And lastly, a vowel-less mem sofit. The last word for today is sukkah. The first letter is samech with kibutz, and then kaf with kamatz gadol. To conclude, we learned that the sign indicates the vowel U. That is all for today. In the next lesson, I will show you the shuruk Nikkud sign. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.